think I got to learn very new things.
Experience, and I opted for the vital experience, vital group, and right now we are checking the birth rate, and the one is very nice, and as well as our seniors. So I would say that it was really helpful and it was worth it.
It was quite fun as the performances and all the new stuff we got to figure out. And about do it yourself question, like I loved it the most because there was a field which I loved the most because that was the field that I wanted to pursue in my career, which was the cybersecurity.
I never interpreted photography in a way that Sir taught me. Sir taught me many things, many kinds of photography, how to take photos properly, how to increase the image depth, about all of this, and then Sir explained it very well. Till now I have been learning on my own, and my school teacher, art teacher, Mr. Gelson, he used to give me tips here and there, so I used to just develop on those tips. But today Sir gave a good idea on colors, on how to shoot photos according to your grids, your frames, and it was quite an experience.
Firstly, our exams just got over, so I had like the thought of like what next. But then our school sent a notice of how we were to visit the MSU. I actually knew about this university as my parents are teachers, and somehow or the other, my parents actually had diaries and like those calendars of the MSU. So through that I knew it was a skills university and it had like various options. So there was like an availability and a possibility for everyone to choose what they liked. So I saw that option of like, taking up Korean classes, and so I opted for that. The teacher was so sweet, like Mrs. Kim, she literally catered to us like, it felt like it wasn't even like a first class. So ending it here in MSU felt very nice to me, and I recommend like more people to come and know more about the university because I feel like it's a very great approach and it'll help you actually think about your career options or whatever more you're interested in for your future studies as well.